Man in motion. Oh, high snapped, and it's a fumble. It's still on the field, and the Vikings look like they might have it. Signaling that they do. A high snap. Fumble recovered by the Long Beach City College Vikings, and they'll have the ball in good field position this early in the game. Shotgun position, 2 wide receivers. Handoff to the left side, breaks a tackle to the 10, almost to the 5-yard line, tackle at about the 7-yard line. Samples on the carry. He had 16 rushes for 47 yards in last week's loss to Riverside. From the 5. Pass to the right side, that's caught, and that's going to be a touchdown. Owen Talmadge, the receiver. 6'1" sophomore. And the Vikings take advantage of the turnover this early. 6-0. Ain't on that play. Eagles showing a nickel defense. Oh, low snap. Picked up by Samples. Wow, they got very lucky on that. Well, they're not going to go anywhere. They're going to go back a bit, but wow. Almost a costly turnover there by the Vikings. 3rd and 11. Pass going deep. He's got a man in double coverage. No, incomplete. Penalty marker. Penalty marker at the 13-yard line. This might be on the Eagles. There was contact in double coverage, and yes. Eagles are just hurting themselves this early. They're going for it on 4th down. McCauley rolls to his left. Now he's being chased, and he goes down. Eddie Smith, the linebacker, on the sack. And the Vikings will turn it over on downs. McCauley's going to throw on 2nd down. Now he's going deep, has one-on-one coverage. Intercepted! Intercepted by the Eagles. Dejani Bryant, the defensive back. Intercepted the quarterback, Wyatt McCauley. And the ball will go back to the Eagles. Oh, a high snap. There's a chase for the ball. Can he kick it in time? No. He's going to get tackled at the 5. Oh my, what a disaster. Kura safety. Well, they have to be careful what they do. 2nd 11. Oh, a mishap, and it's caught by the Eagles for a touchdown. Ooh, a lot of confusion on the Vikings offense. That ball just came out of nowhere. And this time the Eagles do capitalize. Seconds left in the opening quarter. Here's a point after. And it's blocked. Blocked by the Vikings special teams. Looks like that's Calvados that blocked it. Beach was gotten 4 first downs in that first quarter. 2 of them came off penalties. 3rd and 3 from the 44. McCauley's going to throw up the middle. Caught by Tomlick. Down to about the 23. First down Vikings. Good attempt here by the Vikings. Kick is up, and it is no good. To the right. Is 25. Oh no, he can't get off in time. Ball is loose. It's still loose. Picked up by the Vikings. And now, oh no, the ball's loose on the end zone. And it's picked up by the Vikings again. And this time, it's going to be a touchdown. 3 fumbles later, and the Vikings get another score. Viking defender does pick it up. Oh yeah, that ball came out right before it went into the end zone. You see the battle for it, and this time the Vikings finished the job. So that's Alex Colovados who recovered it in the end zone. You see the referee signaling touchdown from the 9. Pass complete. Stays on his feet. Can he get in? Is he in the end zone? Yes, he is. Touchdown, Eagles. Jackson Wang, the receiver.
He's off. You're off.
Silva gets his first touchdown pass of the season. third down. 3 wide receivers. Collie, little snap. Now he's going deep, has somebody open, caught! Guess who it is? Tomic, can he get in? He does, touchdown, Vikings. Owen Tomic, again wide open. And the Vikings fire back.
Hey, put your jersey down, kicker.
Vikings will punt. The Eagles will get the ball back. Oh, and there's a high snap. Battle for the ball, and it will be kicked out of bounds. That will be a safety. Christopher Ramirez just kicked it out of bounds. Says, I ain't going to deal with that. Down. First and goal from the 2. Silva will hand off to Ford. Penalty marker on the field, and for the time being, that one is a touchdown. Here's the kick. And that is good. Right down the middle. 4th and 2. Vikings will go for it. Kari throws his right. Intercepted by the Eagles. Tyson Roberts. He has a distance to the 10, to the 5. Touchdown, Eagles. James Trevino for the return. And that one is going to take a short air. And it's picked up by one of the Eagles, and he's got running room. Uses his shoulder to block. Out of bounds at the 8. That was Trevino. He went up early and grabbed it. 35-yard field goal attempt. This will put them up by 11 if they make it. Here's the kick. And he hits another field goal. That's his second of the day. 35-yard field goal. Good. McCauley going deep. Has Tomic. He makes the catch. And he's in the end zone for a touchdown. How about that? He burned his coverage for the second time. Turned by Dante Sams. Silva throws complete. And there he goes. 20, 30, 20, 10, 5. Touchdown. Eagles. Roman Lonzo. 20 seconds left in the third quarter. Aguilar is Vasquez back in. Throws a screen pass. That pass is complete. And that's going to be a touchdown. Keon Gant. Eagles. Yikes. And they're still leading by 18. McCauley will throw. Now he rolls to his left. 50, 40. Out of bounds near the 35. McCauley's going to throw. Throws up the middle. Has a man. Complete. Fumble. Ball's loose. Are they going to call this a catch and fumble? Eagles ball. Vikings bringing pressure. Here they come. Silva, quick pass. Sams has it. Gets his feet tangled. Tackled near the 40 for a first down. It's our homecoming game. And they'll wrap up the month of October at Mount San Antonio on the 23rd at 6 p.m. starts. Silva going deep. And that pass is caught for a touchdown. Dante Sams might have delivered the knockout blow in this game. 48. He is going to go down with 3 touchdowns on the stats, but 2 interceptions after not throwing an interception last week. Meanwhile, Fournette is trying to get away, but he will not. Tackled on the backfield for a loss. But that was made by Christian Wilson, number 99, defensive lineman out of Riverside, California, on the sack. And looks like the Vikings will punt. So a giant spark. So whatever adjustments they made at the half worked, as Vasquez fakes the handoff, and he's going to get a touchdown.